unroll the lines from your connect bar and untangle the lines. Be sure the fifth line is in the middle and lays in between the Y of the front lines. Spread out your Peak 4 kite flat on the ground in front of you. Check and sort your bridle. Put steering lines on the outside. Connect the steering and the front lines to the kite with a lark's head. Always note the color coding. Take out the gray B-Safe top lines of your Peak 4 kite bag. Unroll the two gray B-Safe top lines from the kite towards the fifth line of your connect bar and attach both lines with a lark's head knot. The white B-Safe system lines run through the sliding rings mounted on the B-level cell walls of the Peak 4. Lift up the A level of the bridle and walk towards the kite and position them in front of the leading edge. Now make sure the white B-Safe line runs free towards the gray B-Safe top line and connect these lines by making a lark's head around the red LCL attachment point. Repeat this procedure with the lines on the other side of the kite and make sure that all lines run free after assembly and do not cross over any lines.